Welcome to another UniPhi training video. This video explains how to enter your timesheet hours. To begin, select the Timesheets tab. You will find all projects where you have been assigned contract deliverable work. If you are working on a project that does not have contract deliverables, you can add a project and assign your time to an ad hoc task. Adding time to project tasks can be completed on a weekly basis. As your timesheet hours are entered, your remaining work decreases. When you have finished entering your time, press the Submit button. Move to the next timesheet period by pressing the Next button. Add new projects from the drop-down list. Update your remaining hours. You can of course reduce or add more remaining hours. Once everything has been entered, remember to save and submit your timesheet hours. For more help, visit any of these support websites or call us for more info.